if you ask yourself, why am I getting them wrong? It's down to two. It's either content or test taking, guys. It's one or the other, right? And we have to be honest with ourselves. If it's content, I can't understand everything, nor can you. We do our very best to understand as much as possible. Back then, my colleagues would read Robbins, the pathology book. It's this thing. I probably read half of it because I'm like, I was so intimidated by that book. I went to other resources. Back then, we didn't have Pathoma. So you see, we sometimes jump into higher yield content. The problem with that is we miss the connections. That's all it is. That's why ideally we learn in school. Every school has their own PowerPoints, their own curriculum. They follow a certain structure, ideally. But now it depends upon the professor teaching, right? Are they strong? They might be amazing. I had a professor in biochem. He was a PhD from Yale. Phenomenal individual, but he loved Lippincott. That's all it was. He loved biochem Lippincott, which is a standard textbook in medical school. If you asked him any other question off of that page, he'd get back on the page, you see? So it was up to us to learn more about biochem.